racing with Izza. She's talking, and yeah, we're gonna do Cybertruck versus this, versus Porsche, and let's do the Porsche. And Izza, you can do your intro.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're playing Jailbreak with Jackson, and I forgot how to say what we're doing, but yeah.
So, okay, Izza, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
What are you doing? You're punching me.
How am I punching you?
You didn't make me crash into a lamppost again. Jackson, stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Ow! You kicked me off the road.
How did I do that? I'm not like, I'm looking at my screen, you're not even behind me.
Because I was on top of your thing.
Over here? Wrong way.
Stop.
Let's just try again, because that was weird.
That was weird. Keep forgetting that I told you to keep thinking you want
That didn't happen on my screen. That
Well,
just,
it did
that was
happen.
that was the first time I saw it.
That flamed me out. Stupid train.
That was the first time it did it.
Now it's stupid train. Okay. I just flipped it.
Okay, so whoa, let's turn that. Go.
What? I'm not
I'm
in there.
there.
When you said go, I was like,
Oh, I'll just turn around.
ow.
I did it in style.
I thought you meant go. I start racing.
You got stuck in that little Ah! What you do with the greasy?
It's not greasy.
I
Your
know.
hands are slippery.
No, it's not greasy. Feel it, feel it. My hand, I can feel it. Yeah, right. You literally,
It is.
just a bit ago, you literally said, that was one.
But that was like 2 days ago. And I never got my iPad back food after that. I didn't.
It's just funny how you say it. I've never had food by my iPad.
After that.
Yeah. Get ready. And 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna get.
The screen is backwards. So it took me,
Oh, oops.
so
Well,
you- so
guess
the
what? That
screen-
thing's faster. I just want to make sure I don't, like, you know. Yeah.
Well, because mine was so fast it went on top of yours. I crashed into a lamppost again. It's not funny. Why do you prove that?
Because I got stuck and I was trying to.
Oh, that's okay.
I'm out. I'm out. I'm going.
I'm almost there. Here.
Okay, guys. That was that. Okay, now get back to your starting point.
Okay.
I just got stuck and that was annoying. Go. Wee. How come I just saw you, like, I didn't even see you fall?
I'm going down the path.
I'm going down the
Oh, I
desert.
see you.
Am I in front of you or behind you?
In front. I'm kind of far. I'm like 1 mile.
1 mile is like.
I still see you.
I'm just gonna turn down good style. Oops. When I said that, I just stopped it. I crashed. Okay. Stop. Brakes. Okay, let me see my brakes first.
Where are you going?
To the power plant. Just go through the city. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I'm not kidding. I don't want to make you smushed. Go through the city. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Whee! And whoop. And whoa, oh my gosh.
Okay.
Dang. Give her a head start.
Ouch.
Just turn. Oops. Hunter, you go. You want to start? I'm taking another route. I know another route. I'm out of here. You go. I think I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it.
I crashed again.
I'm gonna make it.
It's not fair because I crashed a bunch of times.
Go,
I
go,
was
go,
stuck.
go, go.
That's
Well,
not fair.
she won the museum. I won the power plant.
That's not fair. 'cause
It's
I
okay.
crashed.
It's okay. We
I
just...
got stuck. I got stuck, so it's not fair.
Okay, so that was funny. Anyways,
But it's not fair though. Oh, I see you. I saw you.
it's still well, like it just counts because like we still want to know.
Well, it doesn't.
Yes, it does because we're even. Okay, even if we crash, we're still counting it. Okay, so let's just go to the museum and show them where.
Ouch. I crashed again.
And I
Why
crashed.
are there so many giant bumps? I hate the city. That's why. The city's not fair for me because there's so many tall things.
Huh. I feel you on that.
I like the desert.
Oh my gosh.
The desert never makes you stop.
Okay, are you at the museum yet?
No, I forgot that we were even going to the museum, so I just passed it. I'm going back to the millionaire place.
That was a little funny. That was a little
I'm going
fun.
back to the millionaire place, and I'm not going anywhere else.
That was a little funny when you said that.
I'm not going anywhere else except the millionaire place.
Okay, I'm going.
Because that's where I'm.
Batwing should fly. Why isn't this thing flying right now?
Why is it? Wait, is that the Batman?
Yeah, I made him.
I was right.
I made him. Like.
Wait, are you still wearing the
That merch was just a starter. That merch was dumb. That merch was the dumbest merch I've ever made in my life. Guys, never buy that kind of merch. I had a merch and
That was like your face, like.
on Naval Warfare just in the corner. You know what? You know what? Hold on. Stay there. Stay there. Okay. I'm coming. Okay, this is just gonna be that video outro. Okay, my merch was so bad. I hated it. That was the worst creation I've ever made in my life.
It was like a really zoomed in picture of your face.
Okay, stand outside for a second. We're just gonna do our outro. But I want to do mine first. Kill! My outro is success. Come back here. Come back here.
No.
You're like, I'm so scared.
I've done videos of this. I practice without you. I've got this. I jump around and round and wait until you don't see me anymore. Or not.
Shotgun's the best gun for that.
I'm coming back.
Okay.
I have my outro is a picture of her.
Okay. Well, anyways, come back. Come back. Come back.
No.
Why? You just said you're gonna
You
come.
killed me. So I have to come back as a ghost
I'm gonna come. Okay, where are you?
from heaven.
Where are you?
I'm coming.
I was bringing a Cybertruck. I was like, beep beep. You know it takes a long time.
Which one's faster? The poopy car? Or
Definitely.
the super truck?
Definitely the Cybertruck. I'm only.
Poopy car.
It's the Brook car. Okay, where? What? No, I just returned there. Okay, I'm coming.
I'm here. I'm at the millionaire.
Okay,
I'm hiding so you don't kill me.
I won't kill you.
I'm hiding right now. I'm hiding. You'll never find me.
I won't kill you.
You'll never find me.
Get it.
You could have saw me from outside, dummy. I was standing right there and you couldn't even see me through the glass.
Shoot her! Shoot her! She's trying to get guns. She's. Shut up! Shut up, Shorty! Shut up, Shorty! You're Paul. Bye, guys.